Ta-da, 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 dun, dun. This is Todor Đorđević with 10 super easy steps to your dream body. Today we are going to talk about step number 1. Step number 1 is Just Do It by Nike. Just do it. So there are no excuses, there are only things and goals to be achieved for that particular day, or the short-term goal or the long-term goal. The things have to be achieved and there are no excuses. Again, I repeat, if I could do things here in this desert climate and in inactive society, that you could possibly do all of the things of your choice out there. Again, step number 1 is the high energy statement by Nike, which is going to inspire you and has inspired me to move forward and achieve my goals. This step contains daily meal and physical activity plan that is supposed to be written by you. Yes, by you, every single morning when you wake up. The way to write down is going to be explained here in the step number 1. You need to follow the list of protein-rich foods and fat-burning activities that is given to you and compare it to the list that you are going to make daily. What I suggest to make a list of 5 physical activities and 5 protein-rich foods you're going to eat that particular day, and to stick your schedule on the most visible place in your house, such as your computer or the fridge. So let's say your daily meal plan should be stick to your fridge, and your physical activity plan should be stick to your computer. That way you will be inner motivated to proceed achieving the goals for that particular day. The first step is going to give you words of caution, as well of teaching you more about food additives and ingredients that are commonly found in foods, so that you are literally aware of what you are possibly entering in your body. Then we have the action part, where I literally explain step by step how to do the whole possible thing, which is going to inspire you to move forward. There are photos and charts provided. They are going to show you the real life examples that I follow. They help me out to move forward and achieve my short-term and long-term goals. Again, I repeat that your dream body can be created by what you do right now. So do not find excuses and buy this book right now to move forward and achieve all of your goals. Oh yeah!